Are you tired of fumbling through Workspace settings to change a member's role? Learn how to promote or demote anyone in Otter.ai in just 60 seconds. First, I'll show you where to find the Workspace settings, then how to quickly adjust any member's role. Go to the Otter.ai homepage. Click the profile icon in the top left. Click Manage Workspace on the left side panel. Choose the member. Click the drop-down in the Members Role column. From that drop-down, you can promote them to admin if that's the right fit for them. Or demote them to member, or promote to owner. That's how you change a role. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.